The family van segment is getting a serious upgrade, and the all-new 2027 GranAce is here to prove that practicality doesn't have to be boring. Designed with modern families, business owners, and long-distance travelers in mind, this next-generation van combines bold styling, premium comfort, and advanced technology into one impressive package. Whether you're driving through the city or taking a weekend road trip, the 2027 GranAce promises a smooth, comfortable, and refined experience that stands out from the crowd. From the very first glance, the new GranAce makes a strong impression with its confident and sophisticated appearance. The front fascia features a massive chrome, accented grille paired with sleek LED headlights that give the van a premium, upscale look. The redesigned front bumper adds a sporty touch, while sculpted body lines create a more dynamic profile than previous models. Large alloy wheels, stylish side mirrors with integrated turn signals, and a cleaner rear design with full-width LED taillights complete the modern exterior. Every detail has been carefully crafted to give the GranAce a luxurious presence on the road without sacrificing its practical purpose. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how spacious and refined the cabin feels. The 2027 GranAce offers seating configurations that comfortably accommodate large families or executive passengers, depending on the trim level. Premium leather upholstery, soft touch materials, and elegant ambient lighting create a relaxing atmosphere for everyone on board. The dashboard features a large digital instrument cluster alongside an updated infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless charging, tree zone climate control, and advanced sound insulation ensure that every journey is comfortable and enjoyable. Sliding rear doors make entering and exiting effortless, while the generous cargo space allows you to carry luggage, sports equipment, or business supplies with ease. Under the hood, the new GranAce is expected to offer a range of efficient and reliable powertrain options. Depending on the market, buyers may have access to an upgraded gasoline engine, a refined turbo diesel option, and possibly even a hybrid variant designed to improve fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. Power delivery is expected to be smooth, paired with an advanced automatic transmission that provides seamless gear changes. Suspension tuning has been refined to deliver a comfortable ride even on rough roads, while improved steering offers greater confidence during highway driving. Safety remains a top priority, with the latest driver assistance features expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, and a full suite of airbags to provide peace of mind for every passenger. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 GranAce is expected to remain competitive within the premium van segment. While official figures may vary depending on the region and trim level, industry experts anticipate a starting price that reflects its upgraded technology, luxury features, and exceptional versatility. Higher-end variants with executive seating and premium amenities will naturally command a higher price, but they also offer an experience that rivals luxury SUVs while providing significantly more interior space. The 2027 GranAce is shaping up to be one of the most impressive family vans on the market. With its striking design, spacious interior, advanced technology, refined performance, and practical versatility, it delivers everything today's drivers are looking for. If you're searching for a premium van that blends comfort, capability, and modern style, the new GranAce deserves a spot at the very top of your list. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if the 2027 GranAce would be your next family vehicle.